Hi, this video I want to show you how you can obtain an MSDS or material data sheet for your cosmetic products. And this document is important because it's the document that Amazon will ask you um, in the moment you want to use their fulfillment service. Um, they need this document because it's a document that certifies that the product is not ASMAT considered ASMAT or dangerous, and also so it can be shipped with no without any issue. So I've been receiving a lot of requests about this because there are many Amazon expert sellers out there, but not all of them are expert with this um, beauty documents. So today I'm gonna show you how you can create this kind of documents in 5 minutes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go on www.makingcosmetics.com. Then you are gonna click on basis. So here it depends. If you're trying to sell a cream, you're gonna click on creams. If it's a gel, you're gonna click on gel, cleanser, lipstick, and so on. So for today, let's just pretend we want to sell. The Amazon requested us this document, this safety sheet for a cream. So you can just pick any cream you want. Just pick the first one, click on it. Then you go down, you see here where it says SDS. You open the document. This is the SDS for regular cream. Now what you have to do is customize it and make it for your cream. So what you need to do is first of all remove the Making Cosmetics logo. You can just leave the SDA safety data sheet. You're gonna replace the name antioxidant cream base with the name of the product, and the name must match the listing name you have on Amazon 100%. So even if you have a title with 160 characters, it must match. So this is very important. Everything else you can leave the same. You might want to change the date. Here all this information, of course, you need to change. So you're going to change the name. Use you can leave the same. The inky, you're just going to list your ingredients. Distributors and address, you're gonna add your own information, website, etc. All this you can leave the same. This again, you're gonna change the composition and as far as the percentages, if you own the formula, you should know. Otherwise, you see there it's just approximately. You don't need to know the exact percentage. Here you can leave the same, leave the same, leave the same, everything the same, basically the same. And here you change the date, and this is it. So, for example, for my own product, this is what I came up with. You see, I insert my logo, and then I keep the title of the product exactly as it's in Amazon. And then I just change this information here, my website, health, minimal. Of course, for to create this document, since mine is an oil, I didn't pick here under cream, but I just search for like almond oil, and they have it here. Then I went down to SDS. This is because I want I want the SDS that I pick as a template to be as close as possible in terms of this kind of information, as close as possible as the product that I'm selling. So that way I'm sure that the information that I'm providing are real. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck in selling on Amazon. Bye.